Alright, I relocated my Fpr. As you can see, what I did is, the line is running behind this thing. It's not touching it here, it's running actually behind. But just to make sure, I attached the zip tie in here and attached it to this metal piece. Just to make sure it never moves up or anything like this, even though it runs behind it. As you can see, there's enough clearance. Run it that way. Tucked it right behind this little vacuum line here. That knob is pointing upwards towards the frame. I put another clamp in here, plus the other one, the stock one, so it's double secured. Zip tie around. Put the zip tie over there. That's how it looks like, and even if I try to move it, it won't move. There's no fucking way. See, like I'm trying to really wiggle it and it doesn't fucking move. This thing is secured even when I try to use force. I took off, where's that little piece? Right here. This is off. You throw this out, you don't need that shit anymore. So I basically took it off and attached the hose straight to the fuel pressure regulator. Alright, that's about it. See you guys.